heard about the little boy? No, not literally a kid. Don't get me wrong. I am not referring to a little boy of poem or rhyme nor a story or even the movie. The little boy I am referring to was instrumental to America in the World War II. It was the first atomic bomb used for warfare. At about 8:15 in the morning of August 6, 1945, it was dropped over Hiroshima, Japan, exploding about 1,900 feet above the city. Some 70,000 people were immediately killed. Survivors showed symptoms of radiation sickness, leading to death. Thus, death toll increased. Who would have thought it would be that devastating? More importantly, what is really behind that little boy? What made little boy really disastrous? It's uranium! It is an element with a symbol of U. It belongs to the actinide series, which is composed of metallic elements that are radioactive. The superscript, or the value located at the left of the element symbol, is the atomic number. It tells the number of protons. The atomic number is constant for each atom of an element. The subscript, or the lower part of the element symbol, indicates the atomic mass. The atomic mass may change over time depending on the natural abundance of the isotopes of an element. What are isotopes? These are atoms with varying number of neutrons. Isotopes are identified by adding the number of protons and neutrons. The sum is called mass number. Uranium has 3 natural occurring isotopes: uranium-234, uranium-235, and uranium-238. Among the 3 isotopes, uranium-235 was utilized in the little boy. Why uranium-235? Because it can sustain nuclear chain reactions. A nuclear chain reaction involves a series of fissions. Fission is the splitting into 2 smaller nuclei when an atom is hit by a neutron. The fission also releases 2 or 3 neutrons, which allow for further fission. This occurs repeatedly, thus called a nuclear chain reaction, releasing a large amount of energy. In the case of little boy, that massive energy brought about a destructive explosion which almost annihilated the entire population of Hiroshima. How sad. Such a tragic event caused by the application of nuclear chain reactions involving uranium-235 is truly what society least expect to happen. Uranium-235 is a friend to mankind. It generates and supplies electricity from power plants where the chain reaction is controlled so that an explosion is avoided, and at the same time, power will be generated and supplied. And of course, its nuclear reactors on naval ships and submarines that are sophisticated machines designed to operate underwater. Whether uranium-235 is our friend or foe lies in our hands.